Time we will see about something related to the upper limb, mnemonics. I thought it will be helpful for some of you who are finding difficult to study the carpal bones and to memorize the names in order. So you can have this mnemonic. She looks too pretty. Try to catch her. Okay. So from lateral to medial in order are she, scaphoid, looks, lunate, two, triquetral, pretty, P, pisiform. Okay. Then again from lateral to medial down, trapezium, that is tri, to trapezoid, catch, capitate, her is hamate. This is very important. Why? Because you can answer almost 3 or 4 short notes based on this. If you know the arrangements of the carpal bone. One, you can know about the attachments of flexor retinaculum. How? Flexor retinaculum, you can just draw a box here. All the 4 bones, which I said that is there in the corner, that is scaphoid, P, pretty, pisiform, T, trapezium, and H, hamate. The flexor retinaculum is attached to all these 4 bones, that is scaphoid, pisiform, trapezium, and hamate. Okay. And also, this is very important. Why? Because to write the attachment, I mean, the articulation of wrist joint. So the radius bone is articulating with scaphoid and lunate only. Ulnar bone does not take part in the articulation of wrist joint. So this also gives a clue. And you can also remember this for osteology or even the muscles that is getting attached over here, the thenar and hypothenar muscles that are located here. For that, this anatomy of carpal bones will be very important. That's why I just wanted to give some mnemonic or help you with knowing the carpal bones in order, because in order, if you know, you can write it in the exam. Next, rotator cuff is very, very important. When you're posted in the ortho, you will know very commonly the rotator cuff or the dislocation of shoulder joint is very common. At that time, definitely in ortho posting, they are going to ask this question: what is rotator cuff muscle? Rotator cuff muscle is formed by 4 major muscle. You can remember the mnemonic as SITS, S-I-T-S. What is SITS? Supraspinatus, infraspinatus, teres minor, and subscapularis. Okay, so SITS. Sit muscles are sitting on the top of the shoulder joint, protecting it. That's why we call this as a rotator cuff. Very important because this is going to strengthen the shoulder joint. This is one of the reasons why the dislocation of the shoulder joint is not in the upward, because these are all protecting and forming a cuff around. Next, one of the important question, the contents of the cubital fossa. Okay. So, cubital fossa is like a box. It has roof, floor, as well as the muscles forming the boundaries, all this stuff. But contents are very important. Why? Because we will always ask the contents in order, either from medial to lateral or lateral to medial in order. So how to remember this? Since you're all going to study MBBS, you're all MBBS student. Remember MBBR. M for median nerve. This is from medial to lateral in order. Okay. So M for median nerve, B for brachial artery. Remember, artery is A. So artery should come first, because we also have biceps that starts with B, right? So don't get confused which is first, biceps or brachial artery. Artery is A. So A should come first. So median nerve, brachial artery, followed by biceps brachii tendon. This is the tendon of biceps brachii. Fine. And then the radial nerve. Okay. So these are the 4 contents of